This is a recipe for cauliflower soup. Only two ingredients, cauliflower and the chicken stock. I got the cauliflower from Whole Foods. I rinsed them, cut them, and boil them in hot water until they get very soft. Discard most of the water, but leave the water that just covers the cauliflower. And then use hand blender to blend it. I could use a baby food processor too. I put the aluminum foil around the pan so that I could block the splashing. But as long as the water is covering the cauliflower, the water doesn't splash. Now it's time to add chicken stock. Add half a cup of chicken stock into the cauliflower soup and mix well. Heat up with the medium heat until it boils and then stop the heat. Add a little bit of salt to add a little bit more flavor, and that's it. Cool it off a little bit and serve. The soup is not very creamy. It's very easy to drink. Serve in a bowl or a cup like this. As an option, add milk to make it thicker.